I am a hype beast. I am a hype beast. I have an Oreo t-shirt. This is a Nike box. I am a hype beast. No hype beast sings like that. Let's start the video. Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video. Back for another unboxing, because that's what I do. This pickup right here. Oh, okay, let me just stop. I'm gonna give you a tour because I know everything like looks different. Like, oh my God, Lamarr, you changed room. I'll give you a tour in this video, don't worry. Since I did the Yeezys, and then I did that eBay box that had them Jordans in there that I can't fit, I started getting into like shoes and stuff. And I was like, man, you know what? I've never owned a really good pair of shoes. So don't worry, just because you see shoe content doesn't mean it's becoming a shoe channel. This is a variety channel. There'll be shoes one day and DC comic stuff the next, and then potatoes and corn the next. I might cook, I don't know. All right, so I ordered this directly from Nike because I was actually on Oreo's Instagram and I saw these shoes and I'm like, those look delicious. By the way, my Oreo taste tests are going to be on Instagram from here on out. The reason is that's where they are. That's the reason. I left this just as it came. The box came like this, open. If my shoes are not in here, because I haven't checked this in a couple days, this has been sitting here for a little bit, but it came open. Okay, so it's just thrown in here. My shoes, okay, the shoes are here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Guys, I'm so sorry. My neighbors are gonna kill me. I'm sorry, but oh my God. Okay, they're thinking I'm shooting somebody. Okay, they're calling the police right now. Okay, all right, I'll stop. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, we're doing this again for the second time in the video, but it's so dramatic. And if you like this, I might get some Team Jordan stuff because I do rock the Jordan stuff from time to time. So, but I've never bought the shoes myself. So let me know if you want to see that in the comments. Okay, very shiny. Here we go. They do look like the cookie. Sorry. Okay. Wow. Dude. Okay. Fire in the building. Okay. Let's just start with that. Let me get my face up. You don't need to see my face. You need to see these shoes. So here's how the bottom looks. I am so excited. Like, I ain't never gonna play basketball on my big butt, but I'm just like, I mean, I used to back in the day. But like, these are nice. 23. Can anybody guess what that's for? That's Jordan's stolen number. No, I'm sorry. I don't know what this means. BBZ, I'm sure you all will tell me. I am not a sneakerhead. I am learning. Why I do variety so I can learn new things. And it says 330 right there. I'm like, my mouth is watering. Did you hear that? Like, that wasn't done. Like, I actually like the saliva. No, it doesn't taste. Okay, hold on. Now you can see the Instagram picture. Put it up. Okay, that's the Instagram picture that they put with the Oreos. I'm like, okay, that looked good. So I had to buy my own. Again, go to my Instagram right after this video. I have an Oreo taste test up. Okay, it's the dark chocolate Oreos. Cookie. Shoe. Believe me, I'm still gonna eat that cookie. Let me get my face out the way because it's focused. Okay, but no, I ain't gonna eat those cookies. I'm trying to focus. Oh, right now, one more room. Oh, God, here we go. Open up. I mean, do I look. Look, do it in the I'm sorry. All right, so took that out. Get out of here. Okay, so let me try these on. All right, guys. First of all, I love them. I love them. They look so great on my feet. They are a little tight. Those shoe trees will definitely help. I think once they get stretched out though, they're gonna be perfect. My toe is right where it's supposed to be. There's enough room. These are perfect size. And oh my God. Oh, they fly. They fly, my guy. Yes, I'm wearing sweatpants. Shut up. All right, guys, so there you go. The LeBron 16's Oreo edition. All right, so we're gonna leave these right here. Turn around and just show you some stuff up close. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome to the new studio. You notice I took the light down and I put a bookcase back there. I just wanted that. I will get into that in a moment. Over here, when you walk in, I have the mini fridge here now. And then I just have some stuff here. I just bought this from IKEA. It doesn't come with this. I've had this for years. It's just a throw that I put on top just to make it look a little bit colorful. Over here, the Thanos Infinity Gauntlet. Well, it doesn't have to be his, but it's his right now. And that's even him right there. And that's Thanos too. No, that's Dashy. And Superman, Deadpool. I have the Oreo music box. Remember that video? I have that right there. These hats here are subject to change. I'm going to be always changing these out because I'm going to be doing some hat stuff too. So, but and then right now this is the Gary Vee shoebox, and I have it here, and I'm just gonna. But I might change that out for the LeBron box. I don't know yet. And then I have a couple pops there. My Yeezy 500 box right there. That really big 10-inch pop is there. This is my favorite pop of all time because it's one of my first big ones. That's the Hulkbuster. Please subscribe and join my Instagram because that's where all the Oreo videos are gonna be. And I just have a controller there. And then Forever Alone because I am. And some more pops. My award for best lover. Let's not talk about that. Old school radio and the face I always use when I am on other people's Instagrams. And so the artwork is the same. We didn't change it except for Wonder Woman over here. I put the new painting up. We'll show that in just a moment. All right, so this is my desk. I moved it from the corner here, just a little bit better placement. I put a monitor up, and yeah, that's my little Blue Yeti. I went back to the larger one. I did unbox a smaller one, but I just went back to this one because I just like it's closer to my mouth. This is a dock that I'm using to run my MacBook as a full desktop. So I have a keyboard and mouse. This is the official Apple ones. I have some speakers, and all that's plugged right in to this cool dock. And Tom and Jerry are hiding in the back. Also hiding, because I don't know where to put them right now, He-Man, the Twinkie kid, Twinkie the kid, excuse me, and Woody Woodpecker. Okay, and then the first shrine is the Black Panther one that was downstairs is now upstairs. My Apple AirPod, it's not AirPod, what is it, HomePod. This is just some props I have for videos. And then the Wonder Woman shrine it's small, but it's gonna grow. This is some of the Wonder Woman stuff that I have, but then we have the painting again. We have the Wonder Woman lamp. We have another little tiny painting from Amanda, thank you. I have some more Wonder Woman stuff. I have some more Wonder Woman stuff. I have some more Wonder Woman stuff. And I have some more Wonder Woman stuff. And then right here, my 1,000,000 subscriber plaque. Look at my legs. They're so fat. Okay, so none of this has changed. We have the TV still. We have the gaming. You better clear up. Okay, little gaming situation set up here. So if I already do some gameplay stuff, I can just quickly set it up here. All through an HDMI port. Oh, that's Spider-Man PS4. And I got Spider-Man Pop, Miles Morales, and Mr. Negative. And then PS4, because, you know, PS4. Nintendo, because Nintendo. And I am very anal, as you can see. Okay, and then my Sea of Thieves chest. Remember when I did that with the Chips Ahoy? I keep that, and I put extra stuff in there. And I have some extra headphones there. A beanbag here. We have just a window here. And this is what it looks like when I'm filming. I'm staring at a wall. And a camera. So that's my table. I have one light here. It's bouncing off the wall and ceiling because that works for me. Another light here. And Canon XF400 camera. Do not buy this. It's very expensive, but it's a very good quality. But I don't ever recommend people buy that. And then yes, I do have a, what is it called? A cat thing on there just to buffer the mic a little bit because I have air that comes down here that I need to keep cool. So I just don't want the wind being able to be heard in the mic. And that's a Rode, what is that, NTG, whatever those are called, 3? One of those. It's kind of expensive. Really expensive mic. And that's it. That's the room. Let me know in the comments if you're digging my LeBron 16. And let me know what you think about the room tour. I still gotta put a little bit more art up on this wall here. I need one more painting. Amanda, I'll be calling you. This is the life. This is what I do. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to go to Instagram.com/Lamarr Wilson. The new Oreo taste test is up on there now. Check it out. It's not IGTV. It's right in the feed. So you can just watch it. It's 1 minute or less. Talk to you later. Bye.